Last week we worked on 3 treble clef notes. Here's our treble clef, and that tells us they're the notes on the top of the music staff, the higher notes. We looked at this note, has the little line through it. We knew that that was middle C, middle C. If we go up 1, forward 1, what comes after C? We're going up the music alphabet, up the staff. We know that this is D. If we go up the ladder, what comes next? We know it's going to be the note E. So those are the 3 we looked at last week. Let's review them one more time. Treble clef. We know this is a C. This is D. This is E. And remember that E is on the bottom line of the treble clef. It looks like the line goes right through the note. Now, let's use what we talked about with the music alphabet, and we're going to think about what comes before the note. What comes before? So let's look at this symbol today, the bass clef. Remember, bass is on the bottom of the staff. That's our lower notes in music. We know that this is also middle C. It has that little ledger line. It's the same note, the same sound as middle C written on the treble clef, but we know it's bass clef because its stem goes down and we see our bass clef symbol here. So this is middle C on the bass clef. Now, what comes before the note C? What comes before it in the music alphabet? It's the note B. So here's a B on the bass clef. It sits above all the lines and its stem goes down. That's the little stick right there. Okay, so bass clef, this is the note B. Now, what comes before B? A. This is the music note A on the bass clef. It's on the top line. See how that line looks like it goes right through the black circle or oval. The stem goes down. This is the music note A. A, B, C. Watch that little black oval climbs up the ladder. Now let's climb down the ladder. Let's go backwards. So C goes down 1. B goes down another one, A. I'll bring them closer one more time. A climbs up, B climbs up to C, and those are our first 3 notes we're going to learn on the bass clef.